on the road again. Guess we're headed out to the Hurricane Sand Dunes just up above Sand Hollow State Park. We're gonna get a guy that's stuck in his Duramax. I think he said something about had a quad or a four-wheeler out there stuck as well. So we're in the Cherokee. I got the film crew with me today, and they're doing their part. So thanks for coming along for the ride.
Yeah.
You're on the pipeline maintenance road, aren't you?
Yep.
I'm directly east of you, but I'm up on this other road. I'll be there in just a jiff. I'm coming across here.
You must be just over the hill. I can't see it.
Yeah, I'm coming in on this Sand Dunes, Lower Dunes Road. Y'all see you in just a minute. I'm not so sure he's in the best of locations. This is where my white Jeep caught on fire and burnt to the ground. This is never a good thing. Working our way down in here, and we're gonna see where we end up. I think Steve's in a world of hurt down here. He might be further down in here than we think. Boy, if he's clear down in the bottom, we're gonna have our work cut out for us. Where's the 5-ton? You're in a pickle, brother.
Yeah, I am a mess, man. Hey, KC!
What are you doing?
Coming down here with a ATV and getting dadgum stuck.
You
Trying to follow with a pickup truck.
Picked a heck of a place to park.
I know. Tell me about it.
Well, he got dropped down in here, looks like, and he probably just kind of fell off in the wash there. But what we're going to do, we're going to try to maybe just pull him down to this spot in here and turn him around, and then we'll get bombing up here to maybe just see if we can climb right out of here. So he's in a world of a world.
So which way you want to try to get me out of here?
I'm going to go right down there.
Yeah, on that white spot.
I'll probably dive right off if I can.
You better come on.
Right here.
All right. Wow. Yep. You're a crazy man. You know what this thing will do better than I do.
I think what I'll do is I'll move my Jeep and I'll try to get a good run at this and see what.
If you slide back in that loose stuff, that's where it gets you. That's what got me. I came down the hill right there, and then my front wheels just started moving, and I didn't get enough.
Well, the only other thing I can do is maybe try to climb that bank where I went up and just pull you right up that. That's pretty soft.
The next one over.
hanging with the rope. Why don't you go ahead and drive this Jeep up there? If you want to just bomb right up there, just the same tracks I just took, it should climb right out of here.
Yeah, just take the high side.
Yeah. If you want to turn left and climb out, you can right here.
That gets really boggy. It gets really boggy right up there where the ruts are.
Oh,
I got almost got stuck in there with my ATV. I had to put it in 4 lock.
You might be surprised. One more shot, we might be able to drive it out of here. Let's see what it does here. Oh, the old Duramax. Who said that you can't take them to the sand dunes?
Dang, I want this Jeep.
You want to trade rigs?
Gee, man, it wasn't going, dude. It's got an 8 or a 6.
It's a 6-cylinder, 4.0.
Oh,
what do you think, Steve? We did all right down there?
I guess so. Thanks, Casey.
Not very often you get a hot rod and old man's truck out of the sand dunes for him.
That's right.
There's no carbon left in her, though.
No carbon left in her.
Well, he was down there in the bottom, about as far down on the sand dunes as you can go on a dead-end road. So it was all uphill, but luckily he was able to let his air out of his tires or blow the carbon out of that thing and get him up out of there. So wasn't too big of a deal, kind of what we see on a regular basis. We don't always film them, but we'll get this one filmed for you with the film crew and all. And thanks for coming along for the ride.
Go right here. This be good?
Yeah, do you have that lug?
What's a lug?
It's a screw-in lug.
Oh, I think I do.
Yeah, if you have that, let's grab it and see if we can get a rope through it. Yeah, I seen you down here a minute ago when I went by. I had another to do over here, so. Hey, and if not, I got a soft shackle we can use.
Okay. They're right here.
Aha. All right, perfect.
Cool.
We'll get it. hard, but I'll just get a nice rolling start.
Okay.
And just follow me. Just put it down in drive, and then just don't run my rope over when I stop. Make sure you stop. Okay?
All right. Awesome.
I've got one of these that I hauled out the other day from down in the park.
Oh, for real?
It looks like it's just going to be
Yeah,
a park. All right, well, I grabbed another one on the way out of here. They was just down in a little sandy road, so stop and give them a little tug up out of there. No big deal. That was quick and easy.